Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless LANs and the common issues that can arise. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, troubleshooting wireless LANs can be a daunting task. But fear not, because in this clip, we'll break down the most common issues and provide you with hands-on solutions. The first and most crucial step in troubleshooting a wireless LAN is to identify the problem. Is the network slow? Are devices unable to connect? Is the signal weak? Once you've identified the issue, it's time to take action. One of the most common issues with wireless LANs is a slow network. This can be caused by interference from other devices or even physical barriers like walls or ceilings. One solution is to change the channel on your wireless router. By default, most routers are set to channel 6, which can lead to interference. Changing the channel to 1 or 11 can significantly improve your network speed. Another common issue is devices unable to connect to the network. This could be due to incorrect network settings, outdated drivers, or even an outdated operating system. The first step to fixing this issue is to check your network settings and make sure they match the router's settings. If that doesn't work, try updating your device's drivers. And if all else fails, make sure your operating system is up to date. These simple yet effective solutions can save you from the frustration of not being able to connect to your wireless LAN. Now let's talk about weak signals. This is a common issue, especially in larger homes or offices with multiple walls and floors. One solution is to move your wireless router to a central location within the space. This can help extend the range of your signal. Another solution is to invest in a Wi-Fi extender, which can boost your signal and provide coverage in areas where the signal is weak. These solutions may seem simple, but they can make a significant difference in the performance of your wireless LAN. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. If you found these troubleshooting tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech training content. And remember, don't let common issues with wireless LANs slow you down. With these hands-on solutions, you can troubleshoot like a pro and keep your wireless network running smoothly. Thank you for watching.